What's up, rock stars? I'm gonna be doing a wheel bearing on this 3rd gen Nissan Pathfinder. At least I think it's a 3rd gen. It's a 2007. I'll have to look that up later. But yeah, rear wheel bearing. It's got some play in it. I'm gonna have to take these bolts out for the caliper. I'm not gonna take the caliper apart, and then take the axle nut off, take the rotor off. All right, so here we go. Alright, so I got the brake caliper off with the bracket. Those 2 bolts were 17 millimeters. I got the axle nut off, and that was a 32 millimeter. Some of the videos I've seen, people are taking this axle out. I'm not going to take the axle out. I'm going to try to do it with the axle in. Just got to be careful of the CV boot right there. But I checked this axle. It's loose from the hub, which is good. So otherwise I would have to hammer that a little bit right there, but we're good right there. So let's take those 4 bolts out and go from there. All the bolts are out, the nuts off. Just take a hammer, try to give it a tap. You could try to use a slide hammer, but generally it's not that, it doesn't work that well. You just take a hammer and hit it and just try to pull with your hand. Sometimes it comes off pretty easy. There we go. That was actually an easy one. Normally they're a little more difficult. And just push the axle through and pull the hub up. Here we go. Here's the new one. Looks the same as the old one. I just spread the grease around a little bit more on that. I'll slide this in position. Put it back together, same way it came apart.